Welcome to the future of delivery in Moulvibazar, introducing AR Bayezid Mission 2028. Our mission is to revolutionize how you access food and medicine using advanced drone technology. Operating 24/7, we cover all urban areas across the district, ensuring fast and reliable service anytime, day or night. Your health is our priority. Ordering is simple. Just open the app, select your items, and track your drone's flight in real time. Standard deliveries take just 10 to 20 minutes, while emergency medical supplies arrive in under 10 minutes. Our smart drones are GPS-enabled, weather-resistant, and equipped with obstacle detection and night vision for safe operation. Safety is our priority, with secure locking systems and full compliance with government aviation protocols. No traffic delays, no waiting. We're building a smarter, more connected, and more efficient society for everyone. AR Bayezid Mission 2028, innovation, speed, and accessibility. Join us in revolutionizing the future of delivery. In the heart of Bangladesh, where green tea gardens meet peaceful villages, a new future is rising. Floods, traffic, and distance often delay life-saving deliveries when every second matters. Introducing AR Bayezid Mission 2028, a smart drone delivery system for food and medicine. With just a tap on your phone, help is on the way. Our drones collect your order directly from restaurants and pharmacies, crossing tea gardens, rivers, and even flood zones, delivering hope from the sky day and night. Safe, fast, and contactless delivery right to your doorstep. When life depends on time, we deliver faster than ever before. Empowering communities, supporting local businesses, building a smarter Moulvibazar. AR Bayezid Mission 2028, delivering the future today.